Hello everyone. Total solar eclipses, when the moon completely blocks the sun. But they happen so rarely. Why? And they're only available from a small surface of the Earth. Why? Well, first, total solar eclipses only happen when the moon, Earth, and sun are in the exact right position. Those who live in the umbra will see a total eclipse. Those who live in the penumbra will see just a partial eclipse, and everyone else will get no eclipse. The moon is about 400 times smaller than the sun, but it's also 400 times closer. So the Earth and the moon and the sun appear to be the exact same size in the sky. If the moon were smaller or further away, total eclipses wouldn't be possible, because the moon would be too small to cover the sun. But if the moon were larger or closer, solar eclipses would be visible from more of the Earth. But they would not be able to cover the sun. Now the moon is getting further and further away from the Earth. In fact, in 600 million years, the moon will move so far away from the Earth that total eclipses will not be possible. Bye.